Established in 1999, Contec Incorporated is an earthwork and concrete construction firm. They have grown steadily since inception, from small projects such as driveways, patios, and sidewalks into a large subcontractor with multi-trade capabilities. Their service area includes Oklahoma, Arkansas, Kansas, Missouri, New Mexico, Texas, and Alaska. With a view towards a balanced capabilities base, the company performs small general contracting jobs along with heavy highway construction work. Their diversity of services has provided work opportunities to carry the company during challenging economic times. Brian Adair, President, has more than 30 years construction experience. His projects include multi-story structures, airport runways, hospitals, NCAA championship sports facilities, museums, schools, military facilities, and more. We are proud to recognize them tonight as the Minority Construction Subcontractor of the Year.